Indulge in the ultimate coffee experience with the Solo single-serve coffee maker. Brewing a great cup of coffee has never been easier, thanks to its compatibility with both K-cup pods and your own grounds using the included reusable pod. With its unique brewing sequence and customizable options, this coffee maker extracts maximum flavor, aroma, and body from your favorite coffee. Choose from multiple brew sizes, adjust the brewing strength, and enjoy the convenience of a large water reservoir and removable drip tray. Join us as we explore the exceptional features that make the Solo coffee maker the perfect addition to your home. Here are the key features of Instant Solo Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Unlock deeper flavor with Pre-Infusion brew process. Experience the art of coffee brewing with the Solo Coffee Maker's Pre-Infusion brew process. This unique feature gently soaks the coffee grounds before brewing, resulting in a deeper, more aromatic, and flavorful cup of coffee. Compatible with both K-cups and most other coffee pods, this coffee maker allows you to savor every sip, transforming your coffee routine into a daily indulgence. Customize your perfect cup. Tailor your coffee to your exact preferences with the Solo Coffee Maker. The bold setting adds extra dimensions of flavor, allowing you to enjoy both strength and taste in every cup. Whether you prefer a rich and bold brew or a milder flavor profile, this coffee maker puts you in control. Experiment with different settings and discover your ideal cup of coffee. Personalize just the way you like it. Enhanced brewing efficiency. Experience faster brewing without compromising on quality. The Solo Coffee Maker brews your hot cup of coffee in just 90 seconds, providing a quick and convenient way to satisfy your caffeine cravings. With 3 brewing sizes to choose from 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces cups, you can select the perfect amount of coffee to suit your needs. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to instant gratification. Convenience at your fingertips. Designed with user-friendly features, the Solo Coffee Maker ensures a hassle-free brewing experience. The large removable 40 ounces water reservoir reduces the frequency of refills, allowing you to brew more and enjoy more cups before needing to replenish. Additionally, the reservoir is dishwasher safe, eliminating the hassle of descaling. The easy-to-use interactive interface and sound notifications guide you through the brewing process, while the flat touch sensor buttons provide effortless control with a simple touch. Compact design, maximum impact. Despite its powerful performance, the Solo Coffee Maker boasts a compact design, measuring at just 11.8 by 5.3 by 12.6 inches. This space-saving appliance adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while minimizing countertop clutter. Enjoy the luxury of a high-quality coffee maker without sacrificing valuable space in your culinary haven. Enhance your coffee experience. Take your coffee journey to new heights with the Solo Coffee Maker's Instant Cafe Experience. Explore the world of compostable instant coffee pods, designed to deliver premium taste and eco-friendly benefits. Elevate your morning routine with cafe-style lattes and cappuccinos in the comfort of your own home using the Instant Frother, adding a touch of sophistication to your daily cup of joy. Discover new coffee delights. Expand your repertoire of coffee recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app. Unlock a treasure trove of quick coffee favorites and delightful meal ideas, creating new coffee experiences and culinary adventures. The app is available for both iOS and Android users, ensuring everyone can enjoy the boundless possibilities of delicious coffee creations. Conclusion: embrace the art of brewing perfection with the Solo single-serve coffee maker. Its compatibility with K-cups and reusable pods, pre-infusion brew process, customizable options, and compact design make it a must-have for any coffee lover. Experience the joy of personalized coffee, efficient brewing, and convenience at your fingertips. Elevate your coffee routine and embark on a journey of exquisite flavors with the Solo Coffee Maker.